Okay, I want you to forget your normal calendar reminders for a minute. Today, we're talking about a date you are definitely going to want to circle in red. It's a story that has it all: superstition, chaos, and a front row seat to one of the most incredible cosmic events of our entire lifetime.
So where does it all begin? Well, it starts with a date that's already, a little spooky. Friday the 13th.
And the year? 2029. That's the day humanity is scheduled for a very, very unique encounter.
Because on that Friday the 13th, the god of chaos is coming for a visit.
So what in the world is this god of chaos? Let's break it down and really set the scene for this absolutely wild cosmic date. So, let me introduce you to our main character, Asteroid 99942 Apophis. This thing is a monster, a colossal 1,100-foot wide rock in space. To put that in perspective, that's about the size of the Empire State Building. And, when you're named something after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos and destruction, you just know the story is going to be interesting.
And wow, when astronomers first spotted this thing back in 2004, that name seemed terrifyingly accurate. The very first numbers that came back from their calculations were, they were frankly horrifying.
Those first, early calculations gave Apophis a 2.7% chance of hitting Earth.
Now, I know what you're thinking. 2.7%, that doesn't sound like a lot, right? Well, in the world of planetary defense, that is a terrifyingly high number. As the source material puts it so well, in cosmic terms, that is basically a coin flip with extinction.
So we've established that initial threat was very, very real. But what makes this whole story even more mind-bending is the proximity. We're talking about just how close this thing is going to get.
I mean, we all see shooting stars, right? So what makes this any different? Just how close are we really talking here?
And this just lays it all out. Apophis is going to zip past us at only about 32,000 kilometers away. Just look at that comparison. The moon is over 10 times farther out. But here's the real kicker. Apophis will fly under the ring of satellites that give us our GPS. This isn't some distant object. It's flying right through our own backyard, inside our own communications network. It's just wow.
And because it's getting so close, we get a show. For millions of people across Europe, Africa, and Western Asia, this thing will be visible to the naked eye. It'll look like a bright, fast-moving star gliding across the night sky. It's going to be so close, in fact, that our planet's gravity will literally stretch and squeeze the asteroid, setting off what scientists call astroquakes all over its surface.
It's a really good thing this is just a flyby, because if an object this massive actually hit us, the impact would unleash the energy of tens of thousands of nuclear bombs. Now, it wouldn't be a dinosaur-level catastrophe, but it would absolutely wipe an entire country clean off the map.
Okay, so with the stakes that high, and after years and years of tracking since that first scary calculation, what do the newest, most accurate models have to say?
Let's just cut to the chase. Is it time to panic? Should you really be building a bunker for Friday the 13th, 2029?
The answer, after all this time, all this tracking and analysis, is a definitive, resounding no. We are safe.
And look, this isn't just wishful thinking. This is hard data. After years of radar observations and intense tracking, both NASA and the European Space Agency have run the numbers over and over again. They have officially 100% confirmed Apophis will miss us.
And this is where the whole story just completely flips on its head. This event has been reframed from a near disaster into a historic opportunity. It's not a threat anymore. It's a scientific gift. I mean, this timeline just captures the journey perfectly. We went from discovery and some very real fear back in 2004 to what's going to be a moment of pure awe on April 13th, 2029. And after that, it's all about the science. NASA's OSIRIS-APEX spacecraft is literally on its way right now to meet up with Apophis right after it swings by Earth.
You have to appreciate how incredible this is. For the first time ever, we don't have to spend billions of dollars and decades chasing an asteroid to study it. This one is coming to us. It's like cosmic home delivery, dropping itself right on our doorstep for a close-up inspection.
So this is the real takeaway here. It's time to change how we think about this. Don't think near miss, think front row seat. So go ahead, mark your calendars, because this is truly going to be the greatest space show of our lives. Yeah, we get to watch the god of chaos fly by, wave hello, and then sail harmlessly back into the darkness. It's incredible, but it does leave you with this amazing question. What secrets will this ancient piece of our solar system reveal when we finally get that up-close and personal look?
We're about to find out.